have you all? I hope you all are fine. And remember, we are doing tenses. Yes, we are getting knowledge about tenses. तो tenses में हमने previous classes में present tense के बारे में पढ़ा, हमने past tense के बारे में पढ़ा, तो अभी हम future tense के बारे में जानने वाले हैं. Same in 4 forms like simple, yes, continuous and perfect and perfect continuous. ठीक है, start करें. चलिए. Future tense is used to express an action that is likely to take place in future. Simple future tense, it is used to express an action or event that is yet to take place with or without a time expression. Example देखिए, he will visit Agra tomorrow. तो कल उसको जाना है, तो हम future की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ. With clauses of condition and time, if you play with sword, you will get wounded. तो यहाँ पर आने वाले खतरे की बात बताई जा रही है. While expressing determination, promise, order or command, will is used with the first person यानी I we, and shall is used with the second person you, and third person he, she, it, they. तो आपको समझ में आया कैटेगराइजेशन. I we के साथ will, बाकी सबके साथ shall. I will give you this certificate, this is the promise, इसलिए यहाँ will का यूज हुआ है. You shall report for duty at 9 o'clock. तो यहाँ कमांड की जा रही है, इसलिए shall का प्रयोग हुआ है. Right? So formation of simple future tense, will, shall plus base form of the verb with all subjects. Future continuous, this is used to indicate an action that will be going on in the future. Example, she will be joining a fashion designing course, to refer to a longer ongoing future action interrupted by another shorter future action. So she will be singing when you enter the room. To denote the possible continuity of a habit, he will doing exercise daily, right? Formation of future continuous tense will be shall be plus ing form of the verb with all subjects. तो उसके बेस पे आपको exercises दी गई हैं. Will fill in the blanks with the given verbs in simple future tense पहले. Change the following sentences in the future continuous tense. Future perfect tense, this tense is used to describe an action which will be completed at some point of time in the future. Example, I shall have completed my homework before he comes. To express the speaker's belief that something has taken place, you will have heard about this news. Formation of future perfect tense, shall, will, have plus past participle, third form का use करेंगे, है ना, और with all the subjects. Future perfect continuous tense, this tense is used to denote continuous action with reference to some time in the future. For example, she will have been learning dance by March this year. Formation of future perfect tense, continuous tense की क्या formation है? Shall we have been plus ing form of the verb with all subjects, right? So we have some exercises. Fill in the blanks with suitable form of verbs given in brackets according to future perfect tense. B part, rewrite the following sentences in future perfect continuous tense. C part, rewrite the following sentences according to the tenses mentioned in the brackets. Activity time बच्चों, provide the students with the picture, ask them to study it, make a story out of the what they saw and let them set the story in the past, present and future. तो तीनों tenses में अभी आप story बनाइए. पहले आपको आपका schedule बनाने के लिए कहा गया था ना present tense में. अब आप तीनों tenses सीख चुके हैं और तीनों tenses में अपने story बनाइए. And this activity will boost your students' knowledge of tenses and they can boost their knowledge on how to use them. ठीक है बच्चों, और enjoy करिएगा. Have fun.